Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the My Work feature in Monday.com. Click My Work on the left sidebar to see all tasks assigned to you across boards. Tasks are organized into past date, today, this week, next week, later, and without a date. Past date shows overdue tasks. Today shows tasks due now. This week and next week help you plan ahead. Later is for low priority items, and without a date is for tasks without deadlines. Regularly checking past date can help you catch overdue items before they become critical. Use later to schedule low priority tasks so they don't get lost in the shuffle. Click any task to view details, update status, or add notes. Drag tasks to reorder by priority, change status quickly, and tick checkboxes to mark tasks complete. They'll move out of today automatically. Use the filter button to sort tasks by board, status, or priority. Hover over tasks to assign teammates or add updates. If you work on multiple boards, try using filters to focus only on tasks that are urgent or require immediate attention. This helps you stay focused and reduces overwhelm. My Work keeps you on top of deadlines and integrates with notifications, so you never miss an update. Check it regularly to stay organized and productive across all your boards. Pair My Work with Monday.com's timeline or calendar view to visualize your tasks and deadlines. This gives you a clear overview of your workload and helps prevent bottlenecks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for updates. See you next time.